Welcome! In front of me is a Google Pixel tab, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, hold your power button. When you see your boot options, you want to hold power off. This will then bring up this window, reboot to safe mode. We're going to confirm by tapping on OK. And while it's rebooting, I'm just going to quickly mention that safe mode is primarily used for troubleshooting your device. So in this mode, only the pre-installed applications will work. Any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, no matter if it's just downloaded from the web or through the Play Store. It will not be able to run. And hopefully I have a couple to show. We'll see in a second. Yep, I do. So I have Wallet and whatever that is. So these two apps could be native to this device, I actually don't know, but not every app will function either way. So most of the applications that are basically pre-installed with this device, the default ones, like the ones that are most used, like Gmail, Chrome, YouTube, and so on, as you can see, will function without a single problem. But if you find apps like this that are just monochrome, you try to open them up, as you can see, it gives you this pop-up, downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. So from here you can troubleshoot your device and no app should be causing you any kind of problems. Now once you're done troubleshooting it, you can go back to normal mode by holding your power button once again, and this time around selecting restart. The device will reboot, and once it boots back up, it will then go back automatically to the normal mode. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.